Come here, baby. Baby, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Come here, sweetheart.
How's that working out for you?
Okay, Ronnie. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on here. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Here. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here, baby.
Let's go to the vet, Riley.
Come here. Come here. Come here, sweetheart. Come here. Come here. Come here.
I think you need your sausage and bacon.
Come here, baby. Come here, sweetheart.
That's right. Don't forget the sausage and bacon.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here, jump. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here, Ronnie. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here, baby.
She's not convinced?
What?
Yes, perhaps the second board may make all the difference in the world.
Okay, baby. Come here. Come here. There you go. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hold still. Hold still. Hold still. Okay, baby. Come on. Come on. How about go in here? Look at that. Look at that. How about go in here? Look. How about
Yes,
go in here?
look, it's a nice tomb.
Look at that. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here, baby. Yummy, yummy. Oof. 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 Right here. There it goes. See? Right here. Look. Look. See that? Ah. Come on now, baby.
Perhaps some flashing lights around the sausage and bacon.
Oh, yes. Right here. Uh-huh. 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 Oh, yes. Uh-huh. Oh, yes. Riley, you don't want me to put you into horse trailer, okay? Okay? All right? You don't want to put your horse trailer, okay? All right?
How much does she weigh?
Baby, she's a horse. She's a horse. Okay?
That's the horse trailer.
Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come in. Come on. Chip, chip. Chip, chip. Chip, chip. Come on. Chip, chip. Chip, chip. Come on, Chummy. Come on. Chip in. Come on. Maybe I remove the back tire
Yeah?
and let the car go down.
Uh-huh.
Remove the back tire let the car go down.
Yeah.
After she is in, jack the car up, put the tires back on, close the trunk.
There you go.
How is that?
Uh-huh.
Is that a good idea?
Excellent.
Oh, I know how I do it. I know how I do it.
You do?
Yeah. You hold there. You stay right here. I have to check out something, okay?
Oh, okay. Well, we'll return momentarily then.